You've probably seen clam pasta on fancy Italian menus. It's that briny, garlicky dish you dream about after a summer trip to the coast. But what if you could make it at home, and even better, give it a spicy twist? Today, we're starting with a classic clam pasta. Then we'll turn up the flavor with a bold Calabrian ingredient called Nduja. It's rich, fiery, and melts right into the sauce. Let's make 2 unforgettable versions of clam pasta right in your own kitchen. Let's start with the classic. Clam pasta is surprisingly easy if you keep it simple. First, place your clams in a bowl of cold water with a spoon of salt. Let them sit and spit out the sand. Now, chop up some fresh parsley and set aside the stems. We'll use those too. In a large pan, heat olive oil over low to medium heat. Add 1 garlic clove, 1 dried chili, and the parsley stems. Meanwhile, bring a big pot of salted water to a boil. Drop in the spaghetti when it's ready. Back to the pan, rinse the clams one last time and add them in. Pour over some white wine and cover the pan. Let it steam on high heat just until the clams open. Once they're ready, remove the garlic, chili, and parsley stems. You should be left with a clean, briny sauce full of flavor. Now, bring your pasta straight into the pan. Add a ladle of that starchy pasta water and start tossing. Shake the pan back and forth, letting the pasta flip and coat itself. Finish with a handful of chopped parsley. Simple, elegant, and full of ocean flavor. Now, let's take it up a notch with a spicy twist from Calabria. We're using Nduja. It's a soft, spreadable salami from southern Italy that melts right into the sauce. It adds this smoky, spicy depth that makes the whole dish pop. Start the same way. Purge the clams in salted water and prep your parsley. This time, heat olive oil and add a whole garlic clove and parsley stems. Rinse the clams and toss them into the pan with a splash of white wine. Cover and steam on high until the shells pop open. Once they do, remove the garlic and stems, then take out the clams and set them aside. Here comes the secret weapon, Nduja. Chop a bit of Nduja and melt it into the clam juice in the pan. It'll break down into a spicy, silky sauce. Meanwhile, cook your pasta until just al dente. Add it straight into the Nduja sauce with a splash of pasta water. Bring the clams back in and toss it all together. Finish with a sprinkle of parsley, and you've got something fiery, savory, and unforgettable. So 2 clam pastas. 1 classic, pure and briny. 1 bold, spicy, and modern. Which one's calling your name? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more pasta stories from Italy to your kitchen.